The official response from the black community is give the brother his rightful place and stop drugging him. You people have gotten over on our people for too long. And I know the Asian, white, and all these other communities are not going on record nearly enough. So I'm going to go for nothing but black people who are martial artists, and I'm going to start a campaign getting them on record, telling them exactly how they feel about a bunch of piss hands trying to teach someone to sweep. Our response to you trying to teach us ineffective martial arts so the white man can control our reproduction, if we ever try to fight back, we lose, is if you want to sweep, little guy, grab a broom. Pip! Squeak! Runt! Just because you don't measure up and your martial arts are useless and worthless because they're not black doesn't mean I'm going to let my people suffer so you can look good. Fuck that! And that goes double for the American Taekwondo that failed to measure up. I guess the black man looking at the pissant martial arts is superior because I threw him away in the garbage and defeated you with Africa. Motherfucker.